This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to download FFmpeg. So I actually use FFmpeg for a lot of different things. There are a few different ways to get it. You can of course get it on the command line on any kind of terminal, but that's a little bit more technical. We'll show you how to get it on the GUI right here, the graphical user interface. So we have this link right here, ffmpeg.org/download. Now I will include that link in the video description, so you can just click that link and wind up here. It's quite tricky to find this page. It's kind of buried on the FFmpeg main site right here. So a few different options. You can go for the Mac version here. They've got a Windows version, a couple of different builds, and there's also the Linux version as well, different packages there. So pick your poison as regards that. I actually have a Mac, so I'm going to click right here for the static builds for macOS. If you're on Windows, obviously you go for one of the Windows versions. So from here you open this, and I mean this is quite a there's a lot going on this page, so quite an intimidating page. So in general, you're just going to go for the most recent version. You might have a certain version you want to go for. This is FFmpeg here. I should mention this is FFprobe, FFplay. So if you scroll too far down, you're going to find all sorts of other stuff here that you don't necessarily want. But what you will do, I recommend, at least on the Mac, is to download this zip version here, the most recent version. So you click here. This is the version as of the start of this year, so literally just a week ago. So we click that and we download it as a zip, and that will send the zip to wherever your download location is, depending on your browser. Now I am on a Mac with Google Chrome, so that sends directly to the downloads folder. So you'll open up the zip and you will have the installer from there. Hopefully you found this video on how to find and download FFmpeg useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like